So this morning's excitement is exploring under the truck to see if I can find anything that looks loose, but everything appears tight except this guy here rotates on his own, but I don't know if that could possibly be the cause of the noises. Looking at these bolts, look, they're locked. They've got solid things on them. So the radius arms, I think, look bona fide. Although with the sound, it's so loud. This moves, but I don't know that noise is the noise that I'm hearing. Although it is quite loud, but everything else looks really solid underneath. I put 2 rubber washers in here last night to see if that would make any difference, but it didn't. The noise is still as noisy as ever. Any thoughts or ideas would be most welcome, because it's really getting loud and scary, this noise. Again, the radius arm, that looks properly attached there. Everything here looks properly attached, cotter pins in place, everything is tight, everything is in place. All ideas, thoughts are welcome.